Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making a apricot dessert, a must-try recipe. 400 grams of dried apricot soaked in water overnight. Add 1.5 liters of water. Cover and cook for 20 minutes or until softened on low heat. Add 1.5 cups of sugar or to taste. Red food color as required, this is optional. Cover and cook for 10 minutes over medium heat. Mash the apricots with a ladle or potato masher. Add half a cup of peeled and sliced almonds. Cook for 2 minutes or until thickened and let it cool down. Put the apricot mixture in a serving dish. You can serve it simply by putting some fresh beaten cream on it with some dry fruits. To prepare vanilla custard, take 1 cup of fresh milk and dissolve 5 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder in the milk. Add 1 liter of fresh milk to a pot. Add half a cup of sugar or to taste. Mix well and bring milk to boil. Add the custard mixture slowly to the milk and mix with a whisk. Let the custard cool down. Pour the custard over the apricots and level with a spoon. Keep the dessert in the refrigerator. Pour some cream into a bowl. You can use either fresh or whipping cream. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Beat the cream with an electric or hand whisk. Beat until just thickened. Spread the cream on the dessert and sprinkle some almonds or other nuts on top. Your apricot dessert is ready, served chilled. Thank you for watching and leave us a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great recipes.